Hello guys, and this is our pellet gun collection. Okay, now let's start with the Uzi. It's like this and like this.
It shoots loud.
Yes, it shoots pellets. Okay. You show them.
There.
You
It have extra mag. Where's the extra? Here. Two
Okay.
mags.
now, and this is our Uzi, and this is the magazine release. Can you see it? Because it's really dark. That's the magazine release. And okay, and this is how to you put this like that and shoot it. Okay, now and for our next gun is the M4. We call it M4, but we don't know the name. And this has attachment. Where's that at?
Okay. Let's assemble it.
Let's assemble it. Okay. You put this in here at the back. And you put this in here. You put this down. You put this down. You can see there's a button in there. You would need to put it down to put it. Okay, you put it like this. Okay, like that. And it got two magazines, and it got secret packets. You know, secret packets. You can load many pellets in there, but you cannot just shoot all of the pellets. You need to. You can see here. You pull the pellet follower, and there's a hole in there, and you shake it to put it out from the secret pocket. Okay, and the magazine is in here. Okay, then okay, and this is, you pull this to shoot. Wait, it has a bullet, so let's put up the magazine and we shoot it. Okay, that is our M4. Okay,
Now I will show you my M4A1. Here.
it got silencer.
Let's assemble it right now. Yeah.
That. Okay, you roll it, and it got laser too. Look at the laser.
And we got and it got I don't know.
It got an attachment in here that you can extend it, and you put the laser in here. Okay.
And here's the mags.
Okay, the mags has a secret pocket too, and you before you shoot, you pull this one, or you pull this one. Okay, and this is our M4A1. Okay, now
Thank you for watching.
wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna show you our airsoft gun. It's a little bit broken, so we cannot,
No, we can
we
release
can,
it. We can reload it.
but we cannot shoot. Oh, can we shoot?
Yeah.
It's a little bit broken.
Look at that.
Okay, and it's an airsoft, and BBs. So
Where's the babies?
The babies are color white, like this, and you load it in here in the magazine. But this magazine doesn't have secret pocket because it's a pistol. Okay, and that's our pellet and airsoft collection, and thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, we got 2 of these, one for Luis and one for me. So bye. Thank you for watching.
Please
Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you.
Peace out.
Thumbs up.